Alright, big up on yourself, people. Jano Star, down at Arnett Garden, and this is the best place we can come to the video because really and truly, being nice in the background, so the best places we can come to the video. Anyways, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. And I have some good news to some, and some are going to see it as bad news. Good news to the Mount Pleasant family. Good news to the Mount Pleasant family. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. MG Sports TV here. Well, MG Sports here. This is MG Sports TV. But you don't know anything already. I hope that the nice background don't play a big factor in this one. So as you can see from the thumbnail, TYREEK Magee, we're going to discuss TYREEK Magee. TYREEK Magee joining the Jamaica Premier League at this moment to Mount Pleasant. Now, for the past about 2 weeks or so, or 3 weeks, probably more, a lot of persons have been asking me what's happening with TYREEK Magee because they see TYREEK Magee training at Craig Butler with Craig Butler, and I said initially the talk was he going at VR because they don't know Craig Butler, VR Phoenix and all stuff. So that was the initial intent or the initial mindset that could be the situation. But as it stands, apparently it's a done deal. Big money, big money. I don't think one disclose the money. Disclose the money? No, I'm not disclose them. I'm not gonna disclose the money. But crazy amount of money. The transfer, the reason, I can confirm, I'm telling you what I know, I can tell you that crazy amount of money. So there was a bidding war between Mount Pleasant and a USL club. Big bidding war. And the USL club had to pull out. And I'm like, what? Crazy. So that's the value that Mount Pleasant see for the player. I say, you know what? We really need this player, and we go big to get the player. That's what I say now. Can you imagine Mount Pleasant say, hey, anything they want to do? So this season Mount Pleasant only lose one game. And to go out to the market and get a player, going on bidding war like that, and get a player of that caliber, it means them tell the league, say, hey, we come to win the league this year. This season, we will go and touch in the league. But you don't know anything already. Jamaica football, especially Jamaica Premier League, kind of unpredictable because it's not necessarily a league format. It's more of a knockout format. I don't know anything go. But the quality that Magee has is going to be quite interesting to see what he brings to the league. Very interesting to see what he brings to the league. I don't know, so we see a lot of players going out, coming in. A lot of things happening in Jamaica Premier League right now. And Bacha got it. I hope then he give me at least 2 more minutes. And I tell us it's a big deal. It's a big deal for the Mount Pleasant family because don't know say support got big. A lot of people are going to buy jerseys, have TYREEK Magee at the back of them shirt. It's huge. The Mount Pleasant just acquire Trevor and Walsh from Portmore United. So they are doing a lot of things in the market. Also, what does that mean for Daniel Green, who's the attacking midfielder at this present moment at Mount Pleasant? What does that mean for Daniel Green? So a lot of questions will be in the here now for the Mount Pleasant squad. But also a lot of surprises in regards to incomings. But as it stands right now, it's a good look for Mount Pleasant. And the rest of the league are going to say, hey, a lot of raised eyebrows for the rest of the league. But you don't know anything already, as I say, it's a knockout thing. Once you go in the top 6, dog and I'm dog right up there. So. But acquiring the quality of a TYREEK Magee certainly boosts their chances of winning the league. But we'll see how this one goes still, people. So big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. It'll be really interesting to see how this one materializes. Anyways, MG Sports TV, people are out. God bless you know what I mean? Boom.